Alright, so here's the fruit haul from the morning market. I got 2 papayas, got those for 15,000. Got this rack of bananas for 10,000. 15,000 for these kilo of these like really nice mangoes. This is also a mango variety. I got these 2 for 5,000. They're like really hard, but we'll see. And I got these little jungle mandarins, they call Jaruk. 8,000 for 1 kilo. These bananas are amazing. They remind me of the Thai like sweet baby bananas. They're super creamy, like golden yellow on the inside. 5,000. And I got this amazing, really fresh durian. See, the stem is still wet. I'm about to eat this. And I got this for 40,000. It's pretty big too. So yeah, that's my haul. Really great morning market. It's like 6 a.m. right now. Gotta wake up really early to get the good stuff, get the prices. This is some prime durian. This is prime right here. Super fresh. Shout out to my friend Eddie. Gave me this durian opener from Penang. I love it. Just a little knife, durian opener, and oh man, I'm so ready. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. So excited. It smells amazing. Oh my god. This is the best durian I've had in Bali. Wow. Oh my. This is crazy. This is crazy good. Okay. Yeah, my mouth is numb. Wow. Oh my god. So fresh. This probably dropped this morning. So yeah, when you're looking for durian, make sure to check the stem. Make sure it has like a nice sturdy stem, and like if it's wet on top, sticky, oh my gosh, you're in for a treat. We'll show you. It has like a little crack in the middle. I've never seen this. Look at this. It's got a perfect little crack in the middle so you can open the next. It just opens really easily. Just slide your finger down there and she opens up. This is a big durian too. It's got a lot of pods, and I just had like one and I'm freaking out. It's very custardy, but at the same time has like this distinct like this flavor. I'm really having trouble describing. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. It's not bitter, but it's like a very intense something. So glad I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning. Shout out to Fit Shorty Eats, inspiring me to go to the morning market. They got some amazing durian there. I did too. It's about $3 for this one. Totally worth it. Mm. Anyways, that's about it. Just in heaven here. Sorry, I can't describe the flavors better. One of the best durians. One of the best durians right here. So I'll see you guys later. More of the video. Anyways, I think that's it for today's video. Just mostly a durian mukbang today and a little fruit haul. Probably gonna have some papaya and mangoes later. But I got like a cold coconut right now. So good. I was just laying in like the, you know, the little chairs by the pool for like an hour. Just like building my willpower. I was like, oh man, I really want to jump in the pool. It's like 30 degrees Celsius, like super hot, like 90 degrees. And I'm just like sweating. I'm just listening to the cicadas, you know, looking at the durian tree around me and the banana leaves like swaying in the wind and all. And I'm just like, I'm focusing. I'm like, okay, the longer I go, the better it'll feel when I jump in. So then after an hour, finally jump in. It felt so satisfying. It's like, so I just got out. And now I'm having coconut water. Even better, right? So that's it for today's video. If you want to see what I'm eating later today, check out my Instagram, Facebook. And that's all. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more daily videos. I'm here every day. And I'm out from Bali. Yeah, this is my last day at this place, unfortunately. It's been an amazing ride. So, bye everybody. Peace out.
maybe?
I don't know. I think it's like a spiritual practice of sorts.
Yeah, I think it's...
Yeah. Okay, so now we've cut the durian. There's a star shaped here. And we've used the nice durian opener my friend Eddie gifted me. Shout out Eddie. Thank you, Eddie. So now we're just gonna press this up here. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it looks so good. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Tell me what you think. Oh, come on. Get a big bite.
Cut.
Is it good?
It reminds me of dumpling.
Dumpling?
Yeah. But that means it's good.
Is it very sweet?
No.
Oh, okay.
I mean, for me, it's okay. Do you eat seeds?
No, don't eat it.
Oh. It really reminds me of dumpling.
That's awesome.
That's so Ukrainian.